Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video we'll do sculpture painting. So first of all we need a MDF base and sculpture paste. This is from Itsy and we need a acrylic sheet. So first of all we'll paint the MDF board with the white color, and now we'll make different shades of sculpture paste using only the white sculpture paste. We can mix the acrylic colors in it properly and your colorful sculpture paste will be ready. You can see my other videos for making different shades. So to start making the base or the background of the painting, you can use a palette knife and the base will look like this. Let it dry for some time. Now we'll make blue color. Mix it well and we can use a stencil. We'll place the stencil properly and apply the sculpture paste. Now that the background is ready, let it dry for some time and start making the leaves. So you can mix different shades of green. Here also these shades I have made using white sculpture paste and acrylic colors. To make the leaves, you have to move the palette knife in one direction and gather some sculpture paste and then apply it on the base like this. You can also make some lines for the leaf like this. In the same way we will make other green leaves. Now for the flower, I'm taking two shades. One is peach and one is pink. Here also I'll mix them properly, and then you can mix the two shades also. Now as I said, you can use the palette knife and move it in a left or right direction, and this way you'll get the petals. Place the petals carefully on the base. Later on you can fix the petals properly. So to create the left side of the petal, you have to move the knife in the left side, and to get the right side of the petal you have to move the palette knife to the right side. And this is how you will get a beautiful petal. Keep repeating the process like this so that you can cover the full flower with lot of petals. Now as we reach the center of the flower, I'll use some anthers. These are available in any craft store, and this also you can fix with the sculpture paste. And after this you can again continue with making the petals to complete the flower. I hope you all are able to understand how you have to make the petals here. So if you practice, you will be perfect in this art. So now I'll also make one bud with the remaining paste. And this way our sculpture painting is done. It's time to make some frame for it. So I'm taking Shape It and I'll mix the two compounds properly. This is how you can roll it and make a string. Now with the help of white glue, we will fix this. Now I'm taking a rope so that I can make some pattern and it will look like a rope itself. And at last, after drying, you can paint it with your desired color. Our sculpture painting is now ready. I hope you liked the video and you have learned something new today. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and give your feedback in the comment section.